the chief guest, Dr. H.P. Kumar, CMD, National Small Industries Corporation, to light the lamp to begin the program formally. Please welcome him with a round of applause as we invite him to make that very significant chief guest address.
Thank you very much, Mr. Dogra, Mr. Goyal, distinguished guests, friends, good evening. In fact, Mr. Dogra made such a wonderful and exhaustive presentation that there is not much that I can say about the MSME sector or its growth. The challenges and the opportunities have been explained by Mr. Goyal himself. I can only say that MSME sector as of today in the country is the best opportunity we ever had. In fact, if I had got an opportunity in my young age to start an enterprise and the environment was like this, the way we are looking at the opportunities and finding the stakeholders helping from all sides, I would have surely gone for starting a new enterprise. But I sometimes miss that now at this age, when I have almost spent my entire life in various other occupations, how can I really jump to this starting a new enterprise and taking the advantage of the opportunities which really have come up in this country? Well, this is not rhetoric, this is the fact. I have been living through the developments which are happening in the country with regard to promoting and assisting the MSME sector in the country. As of today, you find from all sides, all stakeholders, whether it is Ministry of Finance, or the Ministry of MSME, or the Ministry of Law, or the Ministry of Textiles, or the Ministry of Environment, or the Ministry of... Everyone is trying to see how some favorable policies, some assistance could be provided to the growth of the MSME. The skill development mission which the Honorable Prime Minister announced, the purpose is to train, to provide skills to 500 million people over the next almost 12-13 years to 2020. What is the objective? Objective is to create self-employment opportunities, to provide skills to the people, skills in terms of not only the technical skills but also the entrepreneurial skills, so that on one side the people who are going to become workers and work for the industries and the enterprises can be prepared fully for better productivity, for efficiency, and on the other side, the entrepreneurial culture which is bringing new entrepreneurship in the country, so that new enterprises can be created in the small and medium sector, micro, small and medium sector, would provide plenty of additional jobs so that both sides can have imagined. Let us take banking sector. India is the only country, let me tell you, where there is a priority sector where you allocate a certain percentage of your lendable resources. Mr. Goyal and Mr. Dogra both have been associated with banks. They will agree with me. This is the only country which I have seen. I have travelled almost across the world. I have not seen this kind of a favorable policy for the MSME sector, where the banks have been directed by the regulator, Reserve Bank of India, that they have to set aside a certain percentage of their lendable resources for the priority sector, and priority sector includes micro and small enterprises also. And a substantial chunk of the resources of the bank from the priority sector goes to micro and small. Today, let me tell you, while the government, from time to time over the last 8-9 years I have been looking at from various stages, while the government has been giving directions to the banks, one element came here in the presentation also, 20% year-on-year growth by each of the commercial banks, nationalized banks, which the direction has been given by the government on the recommendations of the Prime Minister's task force 3-4 years back. Prior to that, the Finance Minister in 2005 had also given similar instructions to the banks that they should have increased lending by at least 20% on year-on-year basis, and the total lending was almost 67,000 crore. And that was felt that lending to MSE sector should be enhanced. Now, that 20% year-on-year growth has been happening is much more than, because we have reviewed it almost 28% now. But let me tell you, the point that I was trying to make is availability of finance from the banks is not a problem.